In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to block unknown account messages on WhatsApp on an Android phone. If you want to block messages from people that you don't know and unknown accounts, thankfully there's a quick setting to do so on WhatsApp. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So to get started in blocking unknown account messages, first thing you want to do is actually open up your WhatsApp settings. Once you're in your WhatsApp settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for a setting called privacy, and then you want to hit privacy. From there, you want to scroll down and you want to look for something called advanced. This is usually under allow camera effects and above privacy checkup. And then from there, you want to look for a block unknown account messages setting. To protect your account and improve device performance, WhatsApp will block messages from unknown accounts if they exceed a certain volume, and you can toggle this on. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to block unknown account messages on WhatsApp on your Android phone.